Hey guys, welcome back. Math Class 101. We're in the kitchen today and I'm showing you the number one reason why we should multiply a fraction times a whole number. Cooking, eating, my favorite thing. What's so funny?
I don't know what you're laughing, but it made me laugh.
Alright, my kids are laughing at me, don't worry about it. We're moving on. It's part of the act here, okay? This is real life. Alright guys, so I'm making every dad's specialty. Well, my dad's specialty, English muffin pizzas. So we have a package of English muffins. We have some Italian sauce. Okay. We have some cheese. We have some mozzarella, and we have some sharp cheddar. And I wanted pepperoni, but I don't have pepperoni, so I have salami. All right. So we're gonna make some pepperoni, or we're gonna make some homemade English muffin pizzas. Now, in cooking, multiplying a fraction times a whole number is all about increasing the recipe. So I have here my ingredients for one person. 2/3 a cup of cheese, 2 English muffins for each person. The sauce is gonna be 1/4 of a cup, and then pepperoni is 2.5 cups. Can you imagine that? 2.5 cups? It's a lot of pepperoni, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so this is like 2 cups. If that was full of pepperoni, it'd be like mounting pepperoni on top of my pizzas. That's the way I like it. Okay, so I want to increase it by 5 people because there's 5 people in my family. So I'm going to take each one. Here's my cheese. I have 2/3 of a cup. So I'm going to take 2/3. I'm going to multiply that by 5. Okay? And like we practiced, we're going to put that whole number over 1 and multiply across. So I'll put that 5 over 1 and multiply across. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 1 equals 3. And if I convert that 10/3, well, let me see here. 10/3 is going to convert to 3 1/3 cups. And that's going to be for my cheese. All right. Gracie, can you see the board? Cool. Now I have my English muffins. Well, this is easy. This is the whole number 2. For each person, it's going to be 2 English muffins, and there's 5 people. So I'm just going to multiply the whole number 2 times 5. And I know 2 times 5, I need 10 muffins. Now we're on to our sauce, or a little Italian sauce here, a marinara sauce. So I have 1/4 of a cup for one person. And then for 5 people, it's going to be 1/4 times 5. Put my whole number over 1. 1/4 times 5 and multiply across. 1 times 5 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. So I get 5/4, which is an improper fraction. We have to convert it, right? So 5/4 I know is equal to 1 whole and 1/4 of a cup. And that'll be for my sauce. And then lastly, we have 2.5 cups of pepperoni. As my teenager laughs at me for my heaping mound of pepperoni. Hey, I like my pepperoni. What can I say? All right, so we have 2.5 cups. So we have a mixed number. I'm actually going to separate these two. 2 and then 1/2. Well, if I just multiply 2 times 5, I know 2 times 5, and I'm going to show my work. Well, I know that's 10. So that'll be 10 cups. But I have a 1/2 cup as well. So I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 5. Well, if I put my whole number over 1, I get, let me see, 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. I get 5 halves. Well, let me think about that. 5 halves is really 2 1/2. So now I'm going to combine 10 plus 2 1/2 cups. And if I combine them, I get 12 1/2 cups. 12 1/2 cups of pepperoni. That's a lot of pepperoni. So, why do we multiply fractions in the real world, guys? Well, one of the reasons why is to increase a recipe, of course. Whether it be English muffin pizzas, mac and cheese, chocolate chip cookies. What else, guys?
Cake.
Cake. Of course, cake. Cake. Sign language for cake. All right, guys. So, practice. Get in the kitchen. Help mom and dad out. Cook a meal. English muffin pizzas are always a good one. So, good luck. Again.